The teacher I remember most was Mr. Norman Burgdorf. He taught biology at Francis T. Maloney High School in Meriden, Connecticut. And when I went there a long time ago, a million years ago it seems, he was a very witty, intelligent man, brilliant actually, but you had to be very careful with him because he would make fun of you in a loving and affectionate way, of course. But he was a delight. I remember the situation, we were cutting up frogs, and I was making a real botch of mine, just making a mess of it. And Mr. Burgdorf came up to me and looked at me, and I expected some sort of maybe a few words of pity, but what he said was, "Surowiecki, please promise me one thing." I said, "What?" "Don't ever become a surgeon."